everyone. Welcome to Grade 3 Grammar English, and today we are going to do pronouns with none streams of dreams. What is a pronoun? A pronoun replaces a noun. It means he, she, it, they, we, you. These are some examples where a noun is being replaced. For example, my name is Angie. Now this is grade 2 pronoun link. Quickly go and see this link and then we'll proceed with types of pronouns here. I hope you've watched it. So let's begin with types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, which is I, you, he, she. These are some examples. Possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that. Interrogative pronouns, interrogative always begins with a question mark. So it is who, what. Using pronouns in the sentences, again with I, we, he, she, you, they, it. These are again the pronouns that we use against nouns. So instead of saying Ravi loves football, we can say he loves football. Meera is my friend. We can say she is my friend. This is how pointing towards some other person, rather than taking names, we can use pronouns. Now there's a fill in the blank section. Dash, I am going to a school. This is Dash book. Dash is a clever boy. So within the bracket, there are some pronouns given. Fill them and you'll come to know the sentences whether it is correct or not. Challenge. Replace the nouns with the correct pronouns. Ramesh and I are going to a park. We are going to the park. So you are going to get more pronoun words. In fact, you're going to make your own sentences now, right? So this will be the fun quiz that you're going to create for yourself, and again, replacing the nouns, you'll be correcting the pronouns there. Make it on your And now your task begins, that is to like, share, comment in the comment box how do you like the video, subscribe to the channel Streams of Dreams, and don't forget to press the bell icon. This is what it says, study smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching.